This is DC Danton, Sunday morning, the 27th, or what? Yeah, 28th, right?
28th.
Yeah, 28th. I'll get it one day, people. 28th. Yeah, so, I'm really tired. I don't know, from, I guess, still depressed about my dad's death. And I guess just not feeling well and very tired. We have the new kitty cat. It's on a different schedule. He is up all night and sleeps all day. And my other kitty cat, Gigi, she's up all day and sleeps all night. So we got her used to that schedule. Of course, we've had her, over 5 years now. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see what we get here. If any birds coming. Of course, they probably don't like my video. Charlie did come down yesterday. I actually saw him in the group, and then I lured him over with some treats. He was getting the treats because I kind of spread them out for all the birds, and he was helping himself, and it was very nice that he, I said, Charlie, and he came right up to me. Oh, he's such a sweetheart. I'm going to put this there. You see him up there on the terrace of the Migros building. They're kind of scattered out all over today. So obviously I approach from this side because I didn't want to go anywhere near the church service. For treat today, we have some cooked up noodles because I cooked up some chicken for the little kitty cat outside. Chi-Chi doesn't eat it, and either does Millie. But the other kitty cat does outside. I just call him Kitty Cat. Okay. There we go. So that's a good little smorgasbord. We have some eggs in there. We have some muesli, some almonds. Oh, almonds were on sale. $1.69 for 200 grams. Not bad. They're normally like $2.69. So that's a whole euro off. Now the birdies are all amassing over here, away from me. I have no idea. Now they're flying away. I guess maybe they don't like the GoPro. I have no idea. But look, they're all flying away for whatever reason. I don't know. Maybe I'll stop making videos for a while. I certainly don't want to disturb them on a Sunday, or someone else disturbed them. I have no idea. So what I'll do is I'll end this video here. And unless there's a hawk here. Is there a hawk here? No, and there's no Seymour. Strange. Seymour hasn't shown up for days. I have no idea. So we'll shut off the video now. So they don't seem to be very happy. They were fine when I arrived. So I don't know. Maybe it's something I don't see. Or someone I don't see. It's something I don't see, obviously. But it was very disturbing to them. Okay, so this is DC Danton Crow Crusader Not able to get the crows right now. There they are flying away. So, don't know why. Anyway, we'll throw some food out for them here on the parking lot. And they keep flying back and forth. I don't know what that means. Okay, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader, over and out. Have a good Sunday. Have a good weekend.